In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Blockquote in Microsoft Word. Blockquotes are a great way to highlight quotations, references, or any text you want to set apart from the main body of your document. By using a blockquote, you can make quoted text stand out clearly, which is especially useful in academic papers, reports, or articles. Microsoft Word provides simple formatting tools that allow you to create blockquotes easily without the need for complex coding or special templates. To begin, open the Word document where you want to insert a blockquote. First, type or locate the text that you want to format as a blockquote. Once the text is ready, select it with your mouse so that Word knows which portion you want to format differently from the rest of your document. After selecting the text, go to the Home tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Paragraph group, look for the Increase Indent button, usually represented by a small arrow pointing to the right. Clicking this button will move your selected text inward from the left margin, which is the basic visual style for a blockquote. You can click it multiple times if you want to increase the indentation further. To enhance the blockquote appearance, you can also adjust other formatting settings. For example, you might want to change the font style, make the text italic, or adjust the line spacing to make it look more distinct from the main content. To do this, use the Font and Paragraph groups in the Home tab. Italicizing the text is a common practice for blockquotes, and adjusting spacing can give it a cleaner, more professional look. Another optional enhancement is to add a vertical line along the left side of the blockquote. To do this, select the text, go to the Borders option in the Paragraph group, and choose Left Border. This adds a subtle vertical line which visually separates the quote from the rest of the text. Using blockquotes in Word not only improves the readability of your document, but also emphasizes the source or importance of the quoted material. It is a simple yet effective way to give your documents a professional and organized look. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.